Welcome to a journey through the captivating city of Amsterdam, where the historic charm of centuries-old canals blends seamlessly with a vibrant culture and an extraordinary way of life centered around cycling. Today, we'll explore how this unique city, renowned for its picturesque waterways and a bicycle-friendly ethos, offers an unparalleled experience for everyone who comes to discover its wonders. Imagine a morning sun casting a golden hue over the tranquil waters of the canals, the heart and soul of Amsterdam. These canals, stretching over 100 kilometers, are interlaced through the city like delicate veins, embraced by charming 17th century canal houses. They stand as silent witnesses to a rich past, narrating tales of trade, prosperity, and architecture. Cycling through this historic labyrinth is akin to flipping through the pages of a living history book. But why cycling? In Amsterdam, cycling isn't merely a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle, a philosophy. With more bikes than residents, this city is undeniably driven by pedal power. The cycling culture dates back to the early 20th century, and today, the city boasts an extensive network of cycle paths and lanes, making it one of the most bicycle-friendly cities in the world. Everyday life unfolds on two wheels, with locals pedaling through scenic routes, against a backdrop of tulips in spring and golden leaves in autumn. As you glide along these paths, the city unfolds in a kaleidoscope of cultural experiences. Our first stop invites us to delve into the arts with a visit to the renowned Rijksmuseum. This iconic treasure trove houses masterpieces from Dutch masters such as Rembrandt and Vermeer. Imagine standing before Rembrandt's The Night Watch, its dramatic play of light and shadow captivating your senses, transporting you to the golden age of Dutch painting. Emerging from the museum, there's a refreshing sense of continuity as the ride continues along Vondelpark, the green heart of Amsterdam. This expansive park, bustling with life and laughter, offers a perfect retreat from the urban pace. Here, nature seamlessly integrates into city life, providing a picturesque pause before we venture on. No exploration of Amsterdam would be complete without experiencing the lively Jordaan district. Originally a working-class neighborhood, it has evolved into a hub of artistic creativity, with narrow streets lined with independent galleries, quirky boutiques, and cozy cafes. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts through the air as the rhythmic melody of a street musician's violin adds a magical charm. It's a community where old-world charm meets modern creativity, a testament to the city's dynamic spirit. As the sun sets, the bustling streets transform into a mesmerizing tableau of reflections on the water. The softly illuminated bridges, each uniquely numbered, create an ethereal glow over the canals. This is truly a sight to behold, as the city embraces a quieter, more introspective ambiance. Our journey culminates with a visit to the Anne Frank house. This poignant museum serves as a powerful reminder of a poignant chapter in history. The solemnity of Anne Frank's story resonates deeply as visitors move through her secret annex, conveying messages of hope, resilience, and the enduring human spirit. In conclusion, a cycle through Amsterdam offers more than just physical exploration. It's an invitation to encounter a tapestry of history, culture, and everyday life woven together through the city's canals and vibrant streets. Each pedal stroke reveals a new facet of this unique city, allowing us to engage with its past while appreciating its present. A place where tradition and modernity harmoniously coexist. So, we invite you to embrace the rhythm of Amsterdam. where every corner offers a new discovery, and every journey has a story to tell. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable tour of Amsterdam.